We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to change your drum in a Brother HL5470dw. So first thing first, you want to press this button right here and open your front hatch. Pull this lever out. This is going to be your toner and your drum. You want to press this green button right here. That will release the toner from the drum. So you'd want to get your new drum, stick your toner in there. Once you hear it click, you know it's in there. Then you want to leave this hatch open while you push this in here. Now you will need to reset your drum. So what you need to do is, like I said, you need to leave the front hatch open, then go ahead and press go. And you want to hold that down for about 4 seconds, or at least until all the lights light up. So now it says drum clear, cover open, close the front cover. So now that I've closed the front cover, my printer is initializing and resetting the drum right now. Let's make sure. Sometimes it takes a little bit for it to initialize. Alright, so it's ready to go. My drum was reset. If you guys are in need of any quotes or any supplies, give your girl Brett a call. And if you're getting any service messages, you may need to put your printer in for a service. Have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.